Motorola Pro expected soon. The Motorola Pro is the GSM-only version of the Motorola DROID PRO, but this time the phone is aimed at worldwide markets. A very different design from most other Motorola Android phones, the Pro has a smallish 3.1-inch 320 by 480 pixel touchscreen and a BlackBerry-style QWERTY keyboard. Here the primary market is corporate customers rather than consumers, so some added software features include VPN support, remote wipe and device encryption. The Pro also supports Skype and can synchronize with Microsoft Exchange, all in a package that looks business sober rather than flashy. The hardware isn't a patch on something like the Motorola Milestone 2, which has a much better display and keyboard, but the additional software will make the Pro much easier for businesses to manage. Inside is a speedy 1 GHz processor. There's 8 GB of internal flash memory plus a microSD slot, and on the back is a 5 megapixel camera with a flash. The Motorola Pro runs Android 2.2 rather than the latest Android 2.3, but since it's based on the older US model, then it isn't a surprise. It still runs just about anything you'd want to run on it, including a vast array of applications and a very wide variety of media types. The small screen isn't ideal for gaming or video playback though, but then remember that the target group is business users. Some other useful features include mobile hotspot support, where the Motorola Pro can be used as a Wi-Fi hotspot for up to 5 users, and like all Android phones, the Pro has built-in GPS and access to Google Maps navigation. The fairly large 1420 mAh battery is quoted as providing up to 8 hours talk time on GSM, although it will be a lot less on 3G, which most people will use it on. The Pro measures 119 by 61 by 12 mm and weighs 134 grams, so it's no smaller than the Milestone 2, but quite a bit lighter. It isn't the world's most exciting Android phone, but it does seem to meet corporate needs rather well. If you're looking at a way of getting Android into your business, then the Motorola Pro could be a good place to start. There's no exact word on availability, but we would expect to see this sometime during the second quarter of 2011.